So at the very first tree, we include three libraries. stdio.h is for printing and reading input. String.h is for working with text and words, and ctype.h is for checking and converting characters like making letters lowercase. Next, we define our limits. The phone book can hold a maximum of 100. Contact's name can be up to 50 characters long, and the address and email can be up to 100 characters each. Next is structures. Siya. Here we create a structures called contacts. Don't get as a blank form. Every contact saved in the phone book will follow this same form with first name, first name, middle name, last name, phone number, and email. Next, we then declare the phone book array which can hold up to 100 contacts. We also have a variable called contact count which starts at 0 and increases every time a new contact is added. For the functions, these are the names of all the function we will have in the program. We list then name here at the top so the compiler knows they exist before it reads the actual code below. Next is main function or stack of the program. Yeah. Where the program begins, it show a welcome message and then interlopes. These loops keep the menu, showing the menu and asking the users to pick an option. It only stops when the user chooses number 6, which is exit. Exit. So next, show the menu option or display the menu. This function simply prints the 6 menu option on the screen. It runs every time when then loop repeats so the user always sees the choices. Next, we remove the leftover import or clear input buffer. After the user types a number, extra character can get stuck in the input. This function clears those leftover characters so the next input the program reads will work correctly. Next, we check if phone number is valid or validate phone. This function checks if the phone number is valid. It must be between 7 to 15 characters long. It can only contain numbers with a plus sign, a dash, or a space. If anything else is found, is considered invalid. Next, we check the emails if it's valid. This function checks if the email address is valid. It must contain an @ sign and there must be a dot somewhere after the @ sign. If either is missing, the email is rejected. Next, show contact or print contact. This function checks if the email address is valid. This is a helper function that display one contact's information on the screen in a clean and readable format. It is used by many other functions, so we do not have to write same printing code over and over. Next, add a new contact. This function adds a new contact first. If we check if the phone book is already full, then it asks the user to enter all 6 fields one by one. Then phone number and email are validated, and the program keeps asking until a valid one is entered. Once everything is filled in, the contact is saved to the array and the contact row goes up by 1. And then search. So this function searches for a contact by name. It converts both the search input and the contact names to lowercase, so the search works regardless letters. Every contact whose first and last name matters is printed on the screen. Next, we update this function update an existing contact. It first find the contact by first name. Then it shows the current values and asks the user to enter without typing anything. The old value it keep. Phone and email are validated again if the user changed them. Next, um, this function deletes the contact. It finds the contact by first name and display it. Then it asks the user to confirm the deletion by typing Y. For yes or N for no. If confirm is removed the contacts by shifting all the contacts after its one position to the left and reduce the total count by 1. Ano siya? Code. Sorry for the no, so na siya ko sa check. Ano siya? After the program, we selected option 1. Option 1 to add a contact. We only edit two contacts since completing all Android would take so much time. Then we selected option 2. Option 2 to view and check if the two contacts are successfully saved. Next, we selected option 3. 3 to search for a contact and see if it offers. Search na to siya. So Maria. So na siya. Contact number 2. Then after that, we selected option 4. Option 4 to update a contact's information. So first name Maria. So so pa type punta then type ko na siya. Marie. Yes. Then we tried option 5. Enter your first name to delete. So we entered Maria. So contact number 2. So delete this contact Y or N. So we type Y for yes. So tingnan siya balik. So we selected 5 to delete the contact. Enter a first name. So enter a first name Maria. So your contact name Maria, description, phone, address, email. Delete this contact Y or N. Y for yes and N for no. So yes. Y. So the phone book ni no. So the contact deleted. Remaining 1. So view contact. So 2. So usa na lang. Delete na to. Then we try. Goodbye. Code execution successful. So finally we select escape and the program works.